recording me? Oh, not again! Oh no! Oh!
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make friends. I'm here on college campus. It's second semester. I'm just showing you guys that it's never too late, and some people think it's really hard. It's not hard at all to make friends on campus. Alright, let's get to the video. Yo, what's up dude? What's your name?
I'm Zach, how are you?
Omar. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
You first year here, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, me too. Yeah, I was just wondering if you'd like want to be bros or something.
Sure.
For real?
Sure.
I do, dude. Like, you like to play Xbox or anything?
Yeah, PS4, Xbox.
Yeah, dude.
Whatever.
Just take down my number and we can hang out sometime.
Okay.
Sure.
What is it?
Hey dude.
Hey, what's up?
My name's Omar.
Mauricio.
Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you.
You live here?
Yeah, second floor.
Oh no dude, yeah, I live on the first floor.
I've seen you around.
For real?
Yeah.
Yeah dude, I don't really have that many friends, so I was just like, I was wondering if I with some bros, like, you know, we down to kick it sometime.
Fuck yeah.
For real?
Yeah, I'm down.
Hell yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see you're doing Rubik's Cube. You teach me sometime?
Wanna learn? Yeah.
Right now?
Sure.
Bet right now?
Yeah.
Alright, for real.
Okay. So you have to begin with. Okay, I'll mix it up.
Dude, this girl is so hot.
Oh wait, bro.
Yeah.
That reminds me. Did you hear about the R. Kelly stuff, bro?
The what?
R. Kelly.
Who is R. Kelly? Oh, I know. Oh.
Yo,
Yeah, bro.
what's up guys?
What
It's
happened?
good, bro.
Yo, what's your name?
Matt.
Matt?
What's up, man?
Anthony? Nice. My name's Omar.
Nice to meet you.
I like your chain, bro.
Thanks bro.
What's going on?
Yeah, what's going on bros?
Oh, you know what?
You got a first year, sir?
Sir.
Think I could like join you guys' squad or something?
Sure.
For real?
You think?
Yeah.
Trying to go ball?
Yeah, for you.
Baller,
Hoop.
bro, you move.
Bro, let's go hoop.
Alright, bro.
Yeah, bro. Just take down my number and then we go hoop sometime.
Like, are you really good?
Bro, I'm like LeBron. They call me.
I didn't see you out there in IM basketball.
They call me LeBron James, bro.
The Brown?
Brown.
LeBron James.
So when are you trying to go play?
Yeah, for sure. Anytime. You guys done this weekend?
Are you recording, bro?
What?
Are you recording?
Recording what?
What? Oh shoot. Yeah. No.
Bro, what the hell are you doing, bro?
We're just on YouTube. It's just a YouTube video. What?
Hey, what's up?
Hey,
What's your name?
Hannah, what's yours?
Omar. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You need someone to play with?
Yeah, I guess.
Sure. Play ping pong?
Just a little bit.
Yeah, let's do it. What year are you here?
I'm first year.
Really? Me too.
No way!
Oh, nice shot. Hey, Hannah, actually, we're just recording a little YouTube video, just like getting to know people at college. We actually have a hidden camera over there.
Are you fucking recording me?
Oh, not again! Oh no! Oh shoot!
Alright guys, so here we have like a perfect example of someone who might need a friend. Like this guy's playing chess by himself, so let's go meet him. Hey dude,
Oh, hey, what's up, man? I haven't seen you around.
what's up? What's your name?
Hey, my name's Jaden McKeel.
My name's Omar, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Are you playing chess by
Yeah,
yourself?
bro, I'm playing three-dimensional chess by myself, dude. It's so cool. Look, when you move this piece forward, it opens up 8 quintillion possibilities for new games.
Oh, dang dude, you're pretty smart about chess.
Yeah, bro, no, I'm failing all my classes. I think I'm gonna lose my scholarship at the end of the month, but who cares, bro, right?
Yeah.
School's not that important.
Oh man, I'm sorry to hear that. But you wanna play a game? Chess? I'll play with
Yeah, sure, bro.
you. Sure, dude.
Yeah, let me set this up. Yeah.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I really wanted to make this video to encourage you guys to go out and meet new people. I know when you go to college it's kind of hard and you don't know that many people, but it's going to be a much better experience if you go out and make friends. So I challenge you guys to go out and just do what I did in the video and make some friends. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. That's Omar Goodness for now. See you at the next video.
Okay.
Yo dude,
Yeah.
we're actually just filming a little YouTube video. I actually have a camera right there.
Oh,
Yeah, it's like
okay.
getting to know people like
Hey,
college and
okay,
stuff.
that's
Is
dope.
it-
That's
is it-
dope. Yeah, for sure.
Is it
for
okay to
sure.
use that for the video?
Yeah, of
See,
course.
see,
Yeah.
Alright,
Yeah.
thanks.
Do you hip kids call this laying it down with the folks?
Yeah, I think. Yo, dude, I was just kidding. We're filming a YouTube video. There's a camera right there.
Okay.
Is that alright if you use that for the video?
Sure.
Alright, see, dude, thanks.
No problem.
Alright, see you.